Let's draw this adapter side lock in front of us. Our dimensions are in millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come on new there. We go metric, standard millimeters, then say create. In here we are going to start with a rectangle. So there is our rectangle. So from there up to there, and then we need to make sure that this one here is 40 millimeters. Good. And that one needs to be 15 millimeters. All right. Now that I have that in place, I'm gonna come for another rectangle. So up to there. There is my rectangle, and another one here. There we go, without any constraint. Okay. And another one coming from here up to there. Now that I have that, I'm going to give dimensions. So from there to that one, I need to have 9 millimeters. Okay. And this one here needs to be 3 millimeters. So 3. All right. And that one here needs to be 25 millimeters. So 25. Good. And now from here to there, I need to have 6 millimeters. All right. So now I'm gonna come for this straight line here. There is my straight line, and I'll make sure that from here to there I have 10 millimeters. 10 millimeter it is, and this one here need to fall on that one like that. Now that I have that in place, I'm now gonna come for this rectangle here. So now first I need to come for this line, then I'm gonna come for the rectangle after. So there's my line. I'll make sure that from here to there, I'll make sure that I have 30 degrees. Good. That I have that one there, and from here to there I need to have 9 millimeters. Okay, that has moved up. Let's make sure that between this one and that one we have 0. Good. 9 millimeters, just like that. Okay, then I'm gonna come for this rectangle. So this rectangle is coming there. Okay, there we go, and then coming like this. Right. Okay, so this one here needs to be 4 millimeters. So 4 millimeters it is. Okay, and the distance between that one and that one needs to be 0. All right. Okay, and now the angle between this one here and that one needs to be 30 millimeters. Okay, sorry, 30 degrees. Sorry for that. And now I need to make sure now that the distance between that one there and this one here is 5.5. Good. Okay, now that I have that in place, I'm going to draw this line here. The line will start, sorry for that, the line will start from there up to there. Okay, like that. Skip. So now that I have that line in place, now make sure that from here to there, that line there is cancel. Oh, it's already there, right? Cool, that's fine. Now that I have that in place, so I'll come for this one here. I'm gonna have this arc drawn there, okay, like that. There you go. And from here to there I need to have 12. So 12. Good. Okay, now that I have that in place, I'm gonna draw this line here. There is my line up to there. Then I'll make sure that the angle from here to there is 30.0. Enter. Good. So I have all this in place. Then I'm gonna draw this circle here. There's my circle, and this one here needs to be 6 millimeters. So that is 6 millimeters. All right, good. Now that I have this in place, everything is done now. So I'm going to go on 3D model. I click on revolve. Now I want to create a hole. Okay, first I see that I forgot something. Let me draw my axis here. There is my axis. Okay, you can as well consider X as your axis. But now we are done. I say revolve. Now I want to revolve. Remember, I want to have this hole there. Okay, so in here now what we're gonna have is, I'm going to make sure that this one is full, that one is full, this one is full. I'm gonna have this one empty, that one needs to be full, this one needs to be full, so it needs to be revolved against this axis. Okay, after that I'm gonna say plus. I'm gonna cut this one, okay, against that axis. I'm gonna say cut. Now I have a hole there. As you can see, I'm also having that hole over there. Okay, then after that again I'm gonna say plus. I want to cut this whole thing, okay, plus that against that axis. I say cut. Now I'm having that one there. All right, I say okay. Then I'm gonna say visibility on. I want to have that hole over there, and I'm gonna say 3D model. I'm going to extrude that hole, this one here. Okay, both sides of my drawing plane. Then I'm gonna say by 100, you know, the biggest possible, so it can cross the whole drawing. And then I say cut. Now I'm having that hole over there. Can you see that? Then I say visibility off. After that, I'm going to create a chamfer here, okay, of 0.5 there and there. Okay, I say okay, that's not a chamfer, that's a fillet. I say okay. Then after that, I'm going to create a fillet here, and then sorry, that's going to be a chamfer now. Here, there, as well as here, there and there of, okay, this side as well, of 0.5, right, like that. Then I say okay. Then I'm gonna create a thread here, so I'm gonna have a thread here. Okay, I want this one here to go 15 millimeters. Okay with me? Okay, so I say plus a thread in there. Okay, I don't think this one goes 15 millimeters. Doesn't, so still fine. Okay, plus thread in there. Okay, plus thread in there, and I say okay. So oh, did I put thread in there? Okay, and then I say okay. So now this is how your adapter side lock looks like. So now if you want to see the shape inside of it, what you can do is you can create a plane. Okay, create a plane. So which one? Yeah, that is fine. So you can create a plane there. All right, and put 0 0 there. It's fine. And you do as if you want to create a new sketch. Okay, all right, now you slice the graphics. Now you can see this is how beautiful it looks inside. Can you see that? You have that one there, You have your thread stopping up to there. You have that one over there. You have this one over there. You have that hole over there. Can you see that? Okay. Right. Then you say finish sketch. This is how it looks like, right? So you can remove that one over there, the plane, by doing that if you want. So now you can give the material. So here you can come for you can come even for cast iron. What is cast iron? Yeah, that's one. Now you have your adapter side lock in front of you. Okay. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.